When you're considering making changes in your lifestyle to a low-fat, plant-based whole food diet, consider taking that step-by-step approach with one meal at a time. And if it takes you a few weeks to get through each meal, I mean, my goodness, which meal feels like the hardest right now thinking about that? Dinner and dessert, right? The last 2 meals of the day. You're at the end of the day, you're exhausted, you've got some decision fatigue going on, you're like, well, how am I gonna do that? If it takes you a few weeks or months to get through dinner, all the good you've done for breakfast and lunch in reversing insulin resistance is still there. So if it takes you a little while to accomplish dinner, great, it's okay. And that's one of the things that we really try to help people with is adding more, add more greens. You know, if the least you can do at dinner time is just add a couple cups of greens to your meal, that's great. It's a great addition of fiber. You know, when we talk about a low-fat diet, that's another question we get all the time. Well, what is low-fat? What does that mean? So we've put it out here in terms of percentages. So if you are looking at your diet that is consistently 70-80% of carbohydrate from that green light list, you are maximizing your insulin sensitivity. That means that you've got, you know, the rest of your range of your macronutrients is going to come from fat and protein. And usually fat and protein travel together pretty closely. And if you're somebody who logs your food, maybe you've seen this on those little graphs that come up where it's like, oh, 80% carbohydrate, 10% fat, 10% protein. They tend to travel along. And if you're eating from the green light list, you don't have to worry about food logging. If all you eat is from the green light list, this will naturally occur. This 70 to 80% carbohydrate will naturally occur. And I mean, we get that through things like potatoes and beans, and like Cyrus said, mangoes and whole grains. These foods are fueling us, they're nutrient dense, and they are going to get your best outcomes in insulin sensitivity. The rest of the homework is to sweat for 30 to 60 minutes per day, because that's just good for everyone. That's where you're gonna get your endorphins, you're gonna feel good. You know, and that could be from any form of movement, dancing, you know, swimming. Here, again, there's so many activities on this boat, my goodness. Play pickleball. Somebody wanna join me for that? Intermittent fast when necessary, or make it part of a routine. You know, having routines and habit stacking is really important in lifestyle change, and that can really help you build a lifestyle that looks different than maybe what it looks like today. And then last thing is to join a community of others. And, you know,
required.
This is what an amazing community to be part of, right? Where you can ask questions and talk to people.
Please take your phones out and take a photo of this.
This is like your homework.
Yeah, that's right. The final exam will cover all of these 6 topics.
Exactly.
Hey there, vegan family. Thank you so much for watching our video clip. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, tell all your family and friends. We really want to help this channel grow, so that would be amazing. And also, if you really, really liked it and you'd like to purchase the entire video, you can head to the link in our description box below and you can purchase this video or get the collection from the cruise. So thanks again for watching. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and also hope we get to see you aboard the ship very soon. Aloha. Whoop, 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 whoop.